Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the Rupes MKIII Mark III Bigfoot polisher. Now I just decided to order this so that we can help work on this new project that I'm doing, and it's going to be buffing this huge A-class motorhome, which will be in another video after this. Now I will say it's such a huge box that they chose to send it in, not the product box itself, but the Amazon box. We all know that sometimes it doesn't have to be this big. But other than that, come on, we'll take a look at what the product actually looks like. As you can see, it's a simple white and red striped box that it comes in. As you can see, it's a very sturdy material. We're going to be opening this up, but it's taped on the seam, so get your scissors or blade out or knife and we can cut this open. As you start unboxing it, I can show you that on the side you can see that they have the model number and the style that you ordered. As you can see here, I ordered an LHR21 Mark III Bigfoot Buffer. As you can see, I'm really happy with this so far. I did use it already. This is just me unboxing it. I wanted to show you guys how it arrives. Now, these are Italian-made buffers, so they are very high quality, made with very good parts internally. They're very balanced. As you can see here, they give you some instruction manuals, which will be in different languages depending on what you're looking for. You can find it in there if you're trying to read it old school to find out how to set it up and all the different precautions. You can see they gave me this pamphlet here to show you what they have for different style buffing systems with the different style waxes and compounds. So I'm going to get everything out of the way and clear it up. As you can see, I'm just getting it ready to pull the actual buffer out. They wrapped it up very nicely. They had a very good plastic shield around it, or a plastic bag, whatever you want to call it, to keep the dust and everything else out of it. That way it stays nice and clean until you unwrap it. As you can see, there are a few little areas that have like a white lettering or a white finish. I am going to tell you that those already are stained on mine. This is just how it looked when it showed up. But if you actually are going to be using it, just to let you know, don't be too worried, but the white area is going to get stained on the actual area where it rests upside down. Alright, take the plastic shield or bag off. As you can see here, they have a protector over the hook and latch system pad, so make sure you pull that off before you try to put your pad on. Alright, as you can see here on the bottom where your hand goes usually, you can see the model number is taped or stamped on there. We got our easy pull trigger right here. Now on the top of the unit, where your hand's going to go to hold it steady, not pull the trigger, you'll see a graph. And they're going to show you what the speed setting is equated to in the RPMs. Alright, in my next video, I'll show you guys how this performs, the operation of it, and what the results are on this vehicle that I'm going to be buffing. As you can see here, I got everything all set up for the next job on the table, and that'll be in the next video. So stay tuned, like, and subscribe. Remember to check out my merch for sale and my eBay channel.